So we're here in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a new shutoff valve and a supply line. Homeowner is having trouble with this faucet here, dripping up top, so it's not shutting down. We recommend a cartridge replacement. It's a Moen faucet. You just simply take a picture of this and then email it to pic@moen.com. Get on the phone with them. They'll open up this and tell you which cartridge is specific to this faucet. They'll ship you one for free, 5 to 7 business days. Or you can upgrade to, I think, 2-day shipping or overnight shipping for $20. Or just wait for it, or have them give you the model number. You can probably purchase this locally, but if Moen will give you a free cartridge, why not get one? So anyways, that's the up part. We didn't do any work on the faucet itself, but we did note that the existing quarter-turn shutoff valve was dripping out the bottom. No packing have to tighten down, so we can't repair it. Has to be replaced. This here is our brand new shutoff valve. So that's a quarter-turn. Quarter-turn shutoff valve, brand new, 5/8 OD by 3/8 OD. We did replace the supply line as well. It's by Fluid Master, 3/8 by 1/2 inch IPS by 20. We replaced that simply because when we work on a valve, we don't want to reconnect an existing supply line and then have that fail and be responsible for that portion of the work. So that's our work right there, shutoff valve, and then of course you can see supply line goes up to the existing faucet, so that's ours. We've tested it for leaking. Everything looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.